What's up, guys? It's Mr. Tyler BMX is here. We're here to do a bike trick today, so let's get it done. My trampoline. Anyway, that's what we're here for. Alright, my bike. What we got to start are S&M RV bars, 8-inch rise, 27 width, teal ODI long neck grips, ODI bar ends, premium stem, kink integrated headset, Sunday pressure bolt, Sunday morning 2.1 forks, stock pegs, Shadow Conspiracy hub guard, nitrous rim, Odyssey P-Light 20 times 2.1 on the front, Eastern Trail Digger frame, not the best frame but gets the work done. Mission React cranks 2-piece, Odyssey twisted PCs. Yes, my cap is off because it broke. Shadow Conspiracy interlock V2 chain. That was kind of awkward. Eastern sprocket broke. Right, ow! Got shocked. That's great. Stock peg. Primo drive side hub guard. Gold spokes. Truck. An Odyssey path tire 20 times 2 or 1.85. Volume seat post. Shadow seat. I don't know if you can see that because I'm at a weird angle. Shadow seat. Yeah. Red hairband. I was going for a watermelon theme and well, didn't really work, as you can see. Overall, my bike's pretty good, I think. I just ordered 4 parts actually this Monday, so they're gonna be here Friday. I got 2 fit FAF tires with teal sidewalls. Front is 20 times 2.5, back is 20 times 2.1. I got a chrome red Sputnik sprocket coming and Odyssey teal PC pedals. Altogether it was $91. I'll probably do an unboxing. Can't wait. Comment, subscribe. Talk shit about that guy. Comment, subscribe, give me feedback on what I should do with my bike, or if you want me to do anything on it, 360, 180, tail whip, whatever the hell. Yeah, go bikers.